Welcome to City Cooking.
Do you know there are several types of corn? There's white, there's purple, there's yellow corn. This particular one is delicious white corn, but it has a name. Join us.
All right.
Our day began here in Southern California. We are on our way. We're here, Mexico City. What an amazing city. This is known as El Zócalo. El Zócalo, downtown Mexico City. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
let's look for that delicious
Corn.
street corn. They said we would find it around here. Here it is.
Del maíz.
Ajá.
Viene de una planta y ahí en los pueblos pues tiene que llover para que salga el maíz de este grano cacahuazintle porque así se llama.
Cacahuazintle.
This is so interesting, huh, Mama?
Oh, yes. The white corn is known as cacahuazintle. Oh, delicious. If you guys come and visit this young lady. She makes it delicious.
Totally.
Let's keep walking. Enjoying the beautiful city of Mexico City.
Yes.
We traveled more than 3,000 miles
Yes.
just to eat cacahuazintle.
Oh, delicious.
I gotta go for a walk. Let's go.
Let's go. Wow. Beautiful.
Although the rain, the drizzle, a bit cold, but this place is timeless.
Yes.
These buildings have been around for centuries.
A long time, Mom. A
Torre
long time.
Panamericana,
Right there.
right in the middle
And there is, right there, the cathedral
of Mexico
of
City.
Mexico City and the Palacio de Gobierno, where the president resides. And look at all that beautiful architecture.
Beautiful.
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 Timeless.
See you all next time.
Yes, here at City Cooking.
Blessings from Mexico City.